What is going on, guys? Tempo Trades. Today might be like the best day of the month. I know we're only 4 days into the month, but wow, today was a movie, man. Today was a movie. So going into the trades, I want to know on the day. I took one trade. I gotta find my executions now. Hold on. Not that. Damn it. Find my execution. Okay, one of these are my executions. Okay, here we go. So here was my executions. This was the first trade. I'm going to show you the second trade first. So here was the second trade. This was an A setup. Really, really good. Pretty textbook here, right? We have our overnight lows. We have our London and Asia low. You wait for them to sweep. And then we had a combined 30-second IFEG right here. You enter when we inverse. And then you just ride this baby up, and this one hit 105 points in profit. So this was an absolutely insane trade. You could see I called out longs very clearly. At first, I wanted to take the 2-minute, but then on stream, I changed it to the 30-second. So I said very clearly, I love longs in this area. Wait for overnight sweeps, and then look for longs. Was very, very clear about what I wanted. And then, you know, we got a great move. Got a really, really good move. So this was the move of the day. If you caught it, congrats. The other trade that I took was this trade. So here's the trade that I took personally. I felt a little iffy about this one, and I'll kind of explain why. But for whatever reason, the last 3 days I've taken a trade right at the open, and that's like, I mean, this wasn't right at the open, but it's kind of uncharacteristic for me. So basically, we came up right off open and we swept this high, which was an hourly high, okay? This means shorts are valid. We're in premium of the range. We're at the top of the range. So we're now looking for shorts back down to the bottom of the range, right? We had this 1-minute IFEG right here. And yeah, this is a valid trade. Now, I felt iffy about it. The reason I felt iffy about it is just because how it was moving. If you go back and look just how the candles were moving, it was wicking around a lot. It just felt super aggressive, like kind of that typical market open crazy price action. So although it was a valid trade and, you know, it checked off all the boxes, I decided to go half size here. And I basically entered their half size, and I was just holding for the 50% level, which it hit. Here was my executions. So I entered there. I trimmed full at the 50% level. I caught about 40 points, and I made $300 per account, which is a great base hit. And, you know, I'm able to request a payout on Take Profit Trader today because 300 times 5 is 1,500, and I can request that today. So I could have managed it a little better. The reason I trimmed full is because I went half size. You know, I only had 5 micros, and I didn't really want to do the, you know, 3 micros and then hold 2, especially with it being the 50% level. I was just like, you know what, I'm just going to trim full here. And yeah, if I had full size, right, so if I went 10 micros, I would have had a lot better time managing the position, right? Because I could have taken off 5 here, held 5, you know, trimmed another 3 here, and then trimmed the last 2 there, and it would have been a great, you know, couple of scale trades. But it is what it is. I decided to go half size. You know, yes. So it's weird because 2 days ago I took a trade right at open. It was a winner. Yesterday I took a trade right at open. It was a loser. So I don't really like these trades at open. If they're super valid, I have to take them because I'm a robot and I trade like a robot. And if my model says it's a valid trade, I'm just going to take it. But I wasn't too excited about this one. It did end up working, and it even went all the way down to these overnight lows. So yeah, the trade worked. And yeah, today was just an overall really, really good day, man. Not a single loss in the live stream. Then our other call out hit 100 points. One of our members, Swervin, got a $10,000 payout today. So this is why I do it. I'm making money. I'm helping other people make money. We're building a great community, and I love it. So yeah, feel really, really blessed today. Really, really blessed, man. That is the trade recap. 1-0.